Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account, because if you think Instagram is not a place for you guys, or you may not like this, so the best way is to get rid of this account is permanently delete it, and these instruction I'm going to show you in this video, so you have to follow that and permanently delete the Instagram account, and all of your photos and account history including followers, likes and comments will be permanently removed, and you won't be able to sign up using the same username if you ever create another account. So be careful before deleting your Instagram account. And first of all, you have to go to and log in to your account on Instagram from a computer or a smartphone. Unfortunately, you cannot delete your account from the app, so you have to log in from the computer or smartphone browser. Then now you will have to go to the delete your account page. After signing in your account, on this page there is an option next to why are you deleting your account, number 4. Here you have to re-enter your password. Then now click on permanently delete my account. So after clicking on permanently delete my account, your account will be permanently deleted, and you cannot be recover this account in future. So be careful before deleting your Instagram account. So hope you liked the video, and keep watching. And if you not subscribe my channel already, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. See you soon. Bye bye.